In this lesson, I want to show you how to make some changes to the template itself. So let's go back on the home page here. If you notice, you have the phone number that is at the very top here, and there's nothing else there. So what we want to do is we want to move this down and put it right here and remove this off canvas position there. So to do so, you go to extensions, templates, and you want to click on the template here, which is the Shaper Empire. And by the way, while we're at this, I want to show you too, you can change your logo from here. So if you wanted to change the logo to just text, you click text and then you put the logo. You don't want to change the position because it's going to be in a different position. So if you have an image, you put the image here and you select. And then if you have a mobile, retina, I'm not going to go how to, detail how to create all these, but the main important one now is just your logo. Here you can change that, and let's go to the bottom here. So we want to change the footer position from footer 1. We want to change it to footer 2, and let's go back up top. Okay, so what we want to do now is let's go over to the layout, or let's check the presets out. So you see the colors here. If you want to change the colors of this template, you can. So whatever changes that you make here, it is going to affect how it looks. So you can change the major color, you can change the background color, you can switch to a different template. So we'll switch to that one, and let's go over to the layout. So now with the layout here, you have the header and you have this top section, but we don't really need this top bar, because the top bar is what's separating this from that, and you have just the phone number there. If you want to keep that, that's fine, but I want to take that and move it down. So what I want to do now is let's go over to this section. We're just going to remove this. Click OK. So now we are going to go to add column, and we want this to be 828. So we want this to be a 3 column, so 828. All right, that looks good. So now what we need to do is to go over and choose the module position for this, which is the top one. And you have the options too for the tablet layout, for mobile layout. So if you want something, you don't want something to show, or you can use this here to show on a specific device. And let's click on apply. So we've just moved this number from the very top here to the right there. But if we save now, you notice that it's going to interfere with this here. So we need to remove that. So let's go over to menu. So with the menu, you have several options. You click on the drop down, it says mega menu and off canvas. The off canvas is this little thing that you see right over here. So when you click on it, it activates the off canvas and you can add additional menus. But we don't need that. So I'm just going to change this from mega menu and off canvas to just mega menu. And then we'll set that there, and let's click on save. So let's go back on the front end, and we're going to refresh it and see what we've got. Okay, so you notice now that since we moved this over, it's kind of overlapping. So the reason why you really can't see it yet, because we have the number of titles at the very top menus here is overlapping with this. So what we need to do is we need to move one of these items here from this main menu and add it to a different menu that is going to give it some more space here. So you can choose and decide which menu that you want to move, but I'm just going to go back over here and I am going to move just the home menu. So let's go to the home and let's put this on the footer and save and close. Let's see if that created a space for it at the top. Okay, so it created space for it, but we're still not seeing the phone number on the side like we should. And the reason why you're not seeing the number on the top there is because we have to change the position. Right now we have it to top. For the module position is set to top 1, but we have top 2. So we'll switch that to top 1 and save. And let's refresh this to see what we've got. So now you have the number on this right section here, which looks great. And so if you wanted to whatever menu that you want to remove, you can choose the menu from here, but I just decided to take the home menu off. The home page is still going to show. It's not going to change anything. It's going to change the color that you see now. So next, what we're going to do is we are going to add a footer for this. So let's go and do that now.